Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry about the wrong rate, just been really busy, and I know this might be rubbish, but it's my first unboxing video, so honestly don't blame me, never done it before, first time, never practiced. Sorry about my voice, got a bunged up nose, got a bad cough, but who cares about me? You clicked on this video to see the unboxing, so yeah. Quick story about this box. My mum actually bought this on Vinted a few days ago, maybe a week ago, I don't know. But I think we got it Saturday or Sunday, and it's got all sorts of stuff in here. I have had a look, but not at all of it. I haven't had enough time, but hey, who cares? Right, let's get this box done. This might take a while. And let's get this box out of the way because honestly, yeah, quite in the way. So let's move this box down here. This might take quite a while. Okay, so it's been just over 2 minutes now, so let's get on to the video. So first up, we have quite a few things actually. Starting off with the first things I saw. Thing number one is this. I don't know if the camera can get that, but it's Hornby Mini Tricks. Sorry if the camera's a bit bad. Here's the rest of the list. I think you can kind of make it out. I can barely make it out. It's quite old. So yeah, that's the first thing. Second thing, more Hornby Mini Tricks, and I think most of this is Engage. But we've got this. Yeah, sorry if it's kind of out of place. We've got all of this. So if you can't really see it. We've got all of these locomotives, coaches, wagons. So again, sorry for the camera, just a bit dumb. Got some more wagons, track, quite a lot. Oh yeah, forgot to tell you, but all of this is £35. There's this Pico Engage plan book where it's got all the different track layouts which you could do, so yeah, quite fancy. Next up, not sure if this is Hornby or not, but in 1980 to 1981, German I think, or might be European sort of, Mini Tricks catalogue. Never actually looked at this one. Then we've got another German one, and this is the track plan one. Sorry about that. Just going to show you a quick look, and yeah, quite a bit different. Now, sorry if I'm rushing this, but we've got some sort of track plan thing. I don't know what it is, but I think it'll be, I'm not sure when, but I might do a tutorial on how to make a old Engage model railway. And then we've got another German or European mini tricks catalogue, and that's HO and that's mini tricks, so it's meant to be in scale, I think. I'm not sure, but pretty nice. Just gonna show you the cover. Look at that. And this is a bit of graham varnish Engage. First is this Engage Space Train. I have no clue what that is, but here's the back. I've never seen this before, but wowzers, that's amazing. Then we've got this one, which is points and that, and Engage News. I think it's some sort of catalogue. Yeah, I know you can't see it. I can barely see it. Right, gone over it. Give me a moment. We've got this one. This is the back, and a Class 47 on the front. That's quite good, actually. The final book, I think, is this. This is again the back, but wow. Sorry. That is just amazing. Next, Class 47. Let me sort all the books out. Yeah, this might take quite a bit, but 35 quid for quite a lot of stuff. Never mind, there's one more thing I need to show you. It's whatever this is, and it might be Hornby or German mini tricks, but it's a instruction book. So they're all the books. Moving on to the detail now. I never actually thought this would be in here, but yes, it is Engage, if you were wondering. And oh Jesus, look at that, an Engage track plan or track mat. Just look at the detail in that. Hornby would never make something like this now. But wow, it's got the pond, it's got bushes, it's got where the ballast is, so you don't need to worry about the ballast. And it's actually got roads, sorry about that. Yeah, so wow, that's a tunnel. Sorry about that. Just trying to sort out this camera, it's a bit dumb. Not my fault. There. So that's the only, well, that's